Hello and welcome to Quick Fitness Zone. I'm Abhishek, a certified fitness trainer, nutritionist, and sports injury specialist. So today I'm gonna show you the 7 best exercise of obliques, which will literally fade out all the fat which is stored in this region, maybe in 7 to 8 days. So let's get started. So our first exercise is Spider-Man crunches. In this exercise, the starting position is identical to the push-up. Knee on the ground or a fitness mat. Place your hand shoulder width apart from the floor. Do not push the arm through completely to preserve the joints. Stretch out the legs backward and hold the hip up. Put the tip toes hip wide apart on the ground. Hold the head in extension to the spine. Your body is in line from head to toe. Correct execution is lift one foot and pull the knee forward the arm. The body remains as stable as possible. Afterwards, bring back the leg to the starting position. Do the next rep with the other side. Execute this alternatingly 15 to 20 repetitions with 3 sets. So the next exercise is plate side bend. In this, you have to keep in mind that your body should be straight with chest out position. There should be gap between the weight plates and the body. Legs should be wide and slowly bend your body side by side. Create mind and muscle connection, which is very important in this exercise. With 15 to 20 reps with 3 sets, you have to perform. Plank side dips. In this exercise, you have to focus on your form. If your form and movement is incorrect, not a single rep should be effective on your targeted muscle. Again, 15 to 20 reps, 3 sets. Properly stretch your obliques in each side and do not move your upper body too much. Wood chopper. Keep your legs wide and lock the lower body. Stand straight, chest out. Handle should be parallel of your chest. Don't bend your elbows and don't move your head while performing. Only torso will move. Keep weight according to your strength. Don't lift heavy. In this we are targeting external and internal obliques. This is a fat shedding exercise. Lower body twist. Keep your upper body locked. Properly stretch the love handles. When you move legs left or right, keep in mind you have to make a L shape. Don't bend your knees while stretching or changing sides. 15 to 20 reps with 3 sets. Incline side leg raise. Body should be in inclined position. Hold the handle and keep the body locked. Only you have to raise the legs and properly stretch the obliques muscle. This exercise will also strengthening up your abductor muscle at the same time. 20 to 30 reps with 3 sets. If you are not able to do this exercise, try standing side leg raise with support or without support, it's up to you. Side planks. This is the last exercise of obliques. Upper body should be on elbow. Create a L shape. Low body should be on toes. Perform as same as showing in the video. Hold for at least 1 minute, 3 sets. Then switch to another side. Try to keep your body stable. No movement required in this. If you want to make this workout more intense, then stretch your waist up and down. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, if you want to join online personal training, so please visit our website. Link is available on the description box. Thank you so much.